In 2025, astronomers announced the discovery of 3I Atlas, the third known interstellar object to pass through our solar system after 1I ʻOumuamua in 2017 and 2I Borisov in 2019. The name 3I Atlas comes from its designation as the third interstellar visitor and the survey that spotted it, the asteroid Terrestrial-impact Last Alert System. Almost immediately, the object captured scientific and public imagination, not only because it originated from beyond our solar system, but also because of its unusual activity and the mysteries surrounding its origin. Unlike typical comets or asteroids bound to our sun, 3I Atlas travels on a hyperbolic trajectory, moving far too fast to have formed or remained within the solar system. Its speed and path confirm that it came from deep interstellar space, likely ejected from another star system billions of years ago. This fact alone makes it extraordinary. Maybe an ancient fragment of alien worlds now crossing our skies. Let's dive into the story. From the moment of its discovery, astronomers mobilized worldwide to observe 3I Atlas with every available instrument. Ground-based observatories and the Hubble Space Telescope captured faint but telling images of a diffuse coma and a broad tail, suggesting that the object was releasing gases and dust as it approached the Sun. Early measurements hinted that its nucleus was relatively small, likely just a few kilometers across, though uncertainties remained due to its faintness. Spectroscopic studies revealed the presence of unusual volatiles, particularly carbon dioxide and water vapor. Unlike ordinary comets, which often show predictable levels of activity, 3I Atlas displayed surprising bursts of outgassing, suggesting it had preserved volatile-rich material beneath its surface despite untold millennia drifting through the cold void of space. These first observations made it clear that 3I Atlas was more than just another rock, and it was a scientific time capsule. As 3I Atlas continued its journey through the inner solar system, astronomers were astonished by its vigorous water release. Some described it as shedding water like a fire hose, far more energetic than many solar system comets. This unexpected activity challenges long-standing assumptions about how interstellar objects age and what types of ices they can retain over billions of years. Adding to the excitement, spacecraft orbiting Mars, such as ESA's Mars Express and instruments from the ExoMars mission, were able to observe 3I Atlas from a unique vantage point. These observations provided new data on its coma structure and volatile composition. Combined with Earth-based studies, the evidence suggests that the object may be incredibly ancient, potentially formed before our own sun was born. If true, this makes 3I Atlas not just a visitor, but a messenger from a bygone era of the galaxy. As with previous interstellar objects, speculation and conspiracy theories quickly surrounded 3I Atlas. Some claimed its unusual trajectory and dramatic outgassing might point to something artificial. An alien probe disguised as a comet? This idea gained traction in media headlines, echoing debates that surrounded ʻOumuamua. While such theories capture the imagination, the mainstream scientific community emphasizes that natural explanations are far more likely. The strange behavior of 3I Atlas can be explained by its composition, its long exposure to cosmic rays, and the unique way its ices respond to solar heating. Still, the very fact that these discussions arise shows how deeply interstellar visitors stir human curiosity about life elsewhere. In addition, 3I Atlas serves as a real-world test of how quickly humanity can detect, track, and study fast-moving interstellar objects. Lessons from this encounter will shape future strategies for rapid response missions. Some scientists dream of designing spacecraft capable of intercepting such objects if they are detected early enough. Though this remains aspirational, 3I Atlas underscores the importance of preparation. Each interstellar visitor could be a one-time opportunity to sample the wider galaxy. What caught public attention just as much as the discovery itself was the unusual silence from major space agencies. Unlike the global media excitement seen with ʻOumuamua or Borisov, coverage of 3I Atlas seemed muted. NASA, the China National Space Administration, and even the European Space Agency provided only limited updates, releasing brief technical notes without major press conferences or televised briefings. This quietness led to a surge of speculation online. Many wondered whether governments or space agencies were intentionally withholding information. Some theories claim that the object displayed strange signals or structural reflections inconsistent with natural origins, details supposedly edited out from public reports. Others suggest that agencies may be studying it secretly to determine whether it's artificial, like a probe or fragment of alien technology. While there's no verified evidence to confirm these claims, the lack of transparency fuels public curiosity. The sudden drop in public updates, coupled with hints that observatories were asked to withhold real-time data, makes some people believe that something unusual is being concealed. Critics argue that even if 3I Atlas is entirely natural, space agencies have mishandled the communication, allowing conspiracy theories to thrive by staying silent. Still, scientific organizations officially maintain that 3I Atlas is being studied just like any other interstellar object and that delays in data releases are due to peer review procedures, not secrecy. Yet, for many skywatchers, the silence speaks louder than explanations. Ultimately, the significance of 3I Atlas lies in what it represents: a cosmic messenger from another star system, older than Earth itself, carrying chemical fingerprints from a distant corner of the Milky Way. It reminds us that our solar system is not isolated but constantly interacts with the wider galaxy, sometimes in spectacular and mysterious ways. Whether viewed through the lens of science or imagination, 3I Atlas deepens our sense of wonder about what lies beyond and what might someday arrive from the stars. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.